We'll start by exploring the mindset of the wealthy and how their approach to money differs from the average person. You'll learn about the importance of investing, budgeting, and saving, and how these practices can set you on the path to financial freedom. We'll also discuss the common pitfalls that many people face and how to avoid them, ensuring that you're making the most of your hard-earned money. But it's not just about numbers and spreadsheets. We'll share practical tips and real-life examples that you can easily implement in your own financial journey. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing strategies, this video is designed to be engaging and informative, providing you with the tools you need to succeed. So if you're ready to transform your financial future and learn how to manage your money like the rich, stick around. Let's get started on this exciting journey toward wealth management mastery. Understanding wealth mindset. To achieve financial success, adopting a wealth mindset is crucial. But what exactly does that mean? A positive mindset can significantly influence your financial decisions, shaping how you view opportunities and challenges. When you approach money with optimism and confidence, you're more likely to take calculated risks, invest wisely, and seek out new avenues for income. This proactive attitude can lead to greater financial rewards and a more fulfilling life. Now, let's talk about the difference between a scarcity mindset and an abundance mindset. A scarcity mindset focuses on limitations and fear, leading to anxiety about money and missed opportunities. People with this mindset often believe there's never enough to go around, which can result in poor financial choices and a reluctance to invest in themselves. On the other hand, an abundance mindset embraces the idea that there are plenty of resources available. This perspective encourages generosity, collaboration, and the belief that wealth can be created and shared. Cultivating a mindset that attracts wealth is essential for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. Start by challenging negative beliefs about money and replacing them with positive affirmations. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and motivate you. Remember, your thoughts shape your reality, so focus on abundance and possibilities. By shifting your mindset, you'll not only enhance your financial decisions, but also open the door to new opportunities for growth and success. Budgeting like the wealthy. When it comes to managing finances, the wealthy often employ effective budgeting techniques that can lead to greater financial clarity and success. One of the most powerful methods they use is zero-based budgeting. This approach requires you to allocate every dollar of your income to specific expenses, savings, or investments, ensuring that your budget balances out to zero at the end of the month. By doing this, you gain a clear understanding of where your money is going and can make informed decisions about your spending habits. Tracking your expenses and income is another crucial aspect of budgeting like the wealthy. Keeping a detailed record of your financial activities allows you to identify patterns, pinpoint areas where you might be overspending, and adjust your budget accordingly. Many wealthy individuals use apps or spreadsheets to monitor their finances, making it easier to stay on top of their financial goals. Moreover, it's essential to allocate funds for savings and investments within your budget. The wealthy understand that saving is not just about setting aside money, it's about creating opportunities for growth. By prioritizing savings and investments, you're not only preparing for future expenses, but also building wealth over time. Encourage yourself to treat savings as a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utilities. By adopting these budgeting techniques, you can take control of your finances and pave the way for a more prosperous future. Investing wisely. When it comes to building wealth, the wealthy understand the importance of investing wisely. One of the key principles they follow is diversifying their investment portfolios. By spreading their investments across various asset classes, they reduce risk and increase the potential for returns. This means not putting all your eggs in one basket. Instead, consider a mix of stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles to create a balanced portfolio that can weather market fluctuations. Speaking of investment vehicles, let's explore some options that the wealthy often utilize. Stocks are a popular choice, offering the potential for high returns over time. Bonds, on the other hand, provide stability and regular income, making them a safer investment. Real estate is another avenue that many wealthy individuals pursue, as it can generate passive income and appreciate in value over the long term. Each of these options has its own risk and reward profile, so it's essential to understand how they fit into your overall investment strategy. Finally, educating yourself on market trends and investment strategies is crucial for successful investing. The wealthy often stay informed about economic indicators, industry developments, and emerging markets. By doing your research and continuously learning, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Remember, smart investing is not just about making money. It's about making educated choices that will help you build and sustain your wealth over time. Building passive income streams. Creating passive income is a significant step toward achieving financial freedom, and it's a strategy that many wealthy individuals prioritize. Passive income refers to earnings that require minimal effort to maintain, allowing you to generate revenue while focusing on other pursuits. This can be a game changer in your financial journey, as it provides a steady cash flow without the need for constant active work. There are various sources of passive income that you can explore. One popular option is rental properties, where you can earn money by leasing out real estate. This not only provides monthly income, but can also lead to property appreciation over time. Another common source is dividends from stocks, where companies pay shareholders a portion of their profits. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can create a reliable income stream that grows as the company expands. The long-term benefits of passive income are substantial for wealth accumulation. Unlike active income, which requires continuous effort, passive income allows you to reinvest earnings and build your wealth over time. This compounding effect can significantly enhance your financial portfolio, providing you with more opportunities for growth and security. I encourage you to explore opportunities for generating passive income. Whether it's through real estate, investments, or even creating digital products, the possibilities are vast. By taking the initiative to build passive income streams, you're not just working for money, you're making your money work for you, paving the way for a more secure and prosperous future. Networking and financial literacy. When it comes to wealth management, networking and education play pivotal roles in achieving financial success. Building relationships with financially savvy individuals can open doors to new opportunities and insights that you might not encounter on your own. Surrounding yourself with people who have a strong understanding of finance can provide you with valuable advice, mentorship, and even potential partnerships. These connections can help you navigate the complexities of investing and wealth building, making your financial journey smoother and more informed. In addition to networking, the value of continuous learning about finance and investments cannot be overstated. The financial landscape is constantly evolving, and staying updated on market trends, investment strategies, and economic changes is essential for making informed decisions. By educating yourself, you empower yourself to take control of your financial future and adapt to new challenges as they arise. I encourage you to take proactive steps toward your financial growth by attending workshops and seminars. These events often feature experts who share their knowledge and experiences, providing you with practical tools and strategies to enhance your financial literacy. Whether it's a local seminar on real estate investing or an online workshop about stock market trends, these opportunities can significantly boost your understanding and confidence in managing your wealth. By prioritizing networking and education, you're not just investing in your financial future, you're also building a supportive community that can help you thrive on your journey to financial success.